Today we're going to make a strange brew little activity. You can see my example here. To start, you'll write your name on the tall white paper and flip it over. Then you're going to find a texture plate or two that you like. Remember, both sides do something a little different. Put that underneath your paper. Then remember, you're not drawing with these crayons. You're pinching onto it really hard and you're sliding it, not rolling it, but sliding it across that texture plate to fill up the designs. And I really think it looks cool to do at least 2 or more colors. Really kind of fills in the white space a little better. So once you get that little table kind of established, then you can set it off to the side, put the texture plate back in the box, then find in the red box one of these yellow cauldrons and a black piece of paper. Trace that on there and then cut it out. I went ahead and did so. Then you're going to glue it on somewhere on your table piece there. So use your glue sticks at that table there. Just go right around the whole outside and maybe a line through the middle. Then push it down and really give it some muscle. Hold it on there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At that point, put your cap on your glue stick, put it back in that box at the table, and then you're going to slide over to the next station for this activity, and you're going to use all of these different little objects on the middle of the table, and you can alternate between the two colors of paint, the bright green and the purple, and this is going to create your little witch's brew. You use these like a stamp. Just stamp them in and go ahead and print them on where you want them to go. Put them back in that bucket for someone else to use when you're done. And I think it's cool to have a few on the cauldron like it's boiling over and some coming up into that open space. Feel free to kind of explore the different objects in there. And it's okay if they end up going into the same color, or to the different colors. But you get to decide when you have enough on there. I'm going to do a couple more purples and maybe a couple more greens. But when you're happy with your witch's brew, you can put these objects back in the box, go put this on the drying rack, and then you're going to wash your hands and go to the next choice. Have fun!